Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Traffic Stop Ends Terribly After Entitled Woman Refuses to Comply.
On my door. Okay, I'm gonna. Why? What are you talking about? What happened?
You're under.
Why? What happened?
A simple traffic stop on this speeding driver quickly turns chaotic after she refuses to comply in any manner when things don't go her way. On October 19th, deputies in Stevenson County conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle driving 20 miles over the speed limit. When confronted, the suspect refuses to exit her vehicle or follow officers' commands, a decision that quickly goes very badly for her.
How's it going, Deputy County, Stevenson County Sheriff's Office? Got your license insurance card real quick?
My insurance on my phone.
On your phone, alright.
Why you pulling me over?
Because it's 55 back there. You're going 69.
Because you on my ass.
Not at all. I caught up to you.
No, you are on me.
Yeah, reading your plate.
Okay.
Okay, license. You're going 69 and 55. Let's go.
Right, because you're on me.
Okay, whatever you say.
You have no business being on me like that.
Need your license.
Of course
Let's
I'm
go.
gonna drive faster. I don't have it.
Where's it at?
I don't know. Hold on.
Whose car is it?
Mine.
So you don't have any license on you, no ID. No one to tell me who you are.
You want to take my name? I don't know what that.
Do you have a card or something that shows your name? That's all I need. And it comes back to you, the car?
Yeah.
What's the address going to say on your license?
It's going to say 1314 Fairview Avenue.
All right, I'm gonna have you step out of the car. We're gonna run the dog around the vehicle, okay?
Why is that? Why you got to pull on the door?
To get you out of the car, you're getting out right now.
You said what happened?
Get out of the car right now.
Okay, I need you to explain to me why am I getting out the car?
Because I'm telling you to.
You have to tell me. You hear this?
Turn off your phone.
You can't tell me to. I don't have to turn off my phone.
Yes, you're getting detained right now.
Why am I getting detained? Can you turn on your body
Get
camera?
out of the car
Okay,
now.
can you turn on your body camera?
It is on.
Why
Get out of the
light
car.
not flashing?
It does. Mine's turned on, so it doesn't. Get out of the
You
car
said don't-
now.
Step out of the car.
Okay, why I gotta be high?
Because
I'm
we're
trying to
gonna check
figure
it
out
out.
what's going on.
Get out of the car. I'm not telling you twice. Get out of the car.
Why are you pulling on my door? What are you
break
doing?
your window if you shut it.
Why
Get
are
out
you
of the car.
pulling on my door?
Open the
Okay,
door.
I'm gonna
Open the door. Open the door. Right now.
call the police.
Open the door. I'm going to bust your window. Step out.
Wait, why? What are you talking about? What happened?
You're under arrest.
Why? What
I told you
happened?
how many times to get out of the car.
No, I was asking
Turn
a
around. Now
I'm
you're
like
under
you.
arrest.
I asked a
You're
question.
going to get hit with resisting if you don't stop.
I
Put your other
literally
hand
only
behind your
asked a
back.
question. I
Put
asked
your
her
other hand
why.
behind your back.
I
Sit down.
literally just asked her why. I literally just asked her why. That's all I did.
No, you told her several times
No.
you're not going to the state.
I really just said that. I did not just say that. I said that. I said that to you. I said that to you.
Stood there and listen.
I did not just say
How many
that.
times she tell you to get out? How many times?
And I asked her why. I literally just asked her why. I asked her twice. Yes, I do. I asked her twice.
Come
What are
back.
you talking about?
Come back.
What are you? I asked. All I did was ask why. Like, what is going on?
All right. Do you have anything on you right now?
No, I don't. What
Hey,
happened?
I gotta pat you down. You got any weapons on
No,
you?
I
Okay.
don't. What is going on right now?
Leave it open.
What is going on? I'm just asking a question.
You're under arrest for resisting.
I did not resist arrest.
How many times
I
she
did
tell you
not-
to get out?
I asked a question. I literally
Deputy
asked
Mays, how many times
why.
did you tell her to get out?
And
Multiple times.
But then I didn't ask you why. I didn't ask you why.
I have the right to ask you to
Okay,
get out of
and
the car.
I asked you why did I have to get out the car? What is going on? I literally only asked what is going on. So why he's going to jail? And I only.
God, her voice is so annoying. Oh my God. Please just shut up. Shut up. Just shut up. You keep saying the same thing. She asked you to get out. She told you why. She told you twice, and she gave you two different reasons. One was because the dog is going to, search the vehicle or whatever. Sniff the vehicle. The second reason is because she told you to. Period. You gotta step out. That's it.
No, because I asked a question, you cannot arrest somebody for asking a question. Like, what is going on? All I did was ask a question.
Get in the car.
I only asked you why. Why? I only asked you why. I asked why did you need to search? That's literally all I asked. I'm on my way to work, so I just need to know why so I can call my boss.
Okay.
That's literally it.
Listen, I'll explain it to you really quick for you, okay?
That's all I asked was why. I never said I never said I'm gonna get out.
You want me to explain it or not?
Yes, I do.
Okay, calm down. Okay. I'm sorry we had to meet like this. What's your name?
Fatima.
Fatima. Okay, Fatima. I'm Deputy Mays. Listen,
The question.
okay, I'm just gonna tell you how this works. So, we're allowed to ask anyone to step out of the vehicle at any time for any reason, okay?
That's never happened to me.
Never, okay.
So I'm asking why, like.
Yes, okay. So, the reason we had you step out is they're just gonna run the dog right now, okay?
It's fine, but I just don't want
Which
to know
she
why.
told you the
And they
first
have to
time
put
she
the
said
dog.
that.
What is going on?
Okay, so on any traffic stop, we're allowed to utilize the dog at any point, okay?
This is Freeport. I've got put on the road plenty of times. This has never happened to me. So I'm asking questions like, because this never happened to me. I literally asked the question and then what is jail for asking why?
All right. It's gonna bother you now.
That's what we do around here. We search cars with a K9. And when you're told to get out of a car, you get out. It's that simple. You don't roll your window up on an officer that's trying to tell you to get out. You just listen, and then you don't go to jail. So, what's up?
You're not even listening to me.
I'm listening to you. What?
That's not how that happened.
That's exactly what happened.
I got pulled over by police before, and they never had to search or anything. So I'm asking her, why did y'all tell me y'all got to search? Why I have to get out the car? They've never asked me to get out the car before. Okay.
Doesn't matter.
But I also have a right to know why to get out. Why I want to get out the car. Why I have to get out the car.
She ordered you out of the car. She doesn't even need a reason.
Who said that?
That's the law.
Okay.
We don't even need a reason to order you out. So it is what it is. You didn't listen. That's why you're in cuffs.
I wasn't not listening. I was trying to get an understanding of it. So then I had rolled.
We don't have time for you to sit and try to understand it.
The door because you were talking about breaking my window.
Yeah, I will break it. Exactly. Because you rolled the window up when we told you to get out of the car.
The door.
Well, you can still unlock the door with the window down. It's not hard.
You was already grabbing on the door. Y'all was already grabbing on me before I could even ask any question.
It's all on video.
I want to see
You can clearly go ahead. You can clearly get the FOIA for it. You're going to need it for your court case. So.
What's gonna...
Man.
You're going to need it for your court date. Shut the door on her.
Release and you're done? Okay.
That is hilarious. That's hilarious. He said you could get the FOIA for it. You're going to need it and shut the door. And she started crying like a baby.
You can clearly go ahead. You can clearly get the FOIA for it. You're going to need it for your court case. So.
What's gonna...
Man.
Listen, we gonna need that FOIA for YouTube too.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Control 244. You'll be transporting this female to the jail. Miles when ready.
Boy, there's 3-year-olds that act better than this. Nah. She almost, I don't know if they're going to classify that as the magic words or not, but it's in law enforcement. We have the magic words, man. And it's called and it's, I want to unalive myself or whatever. Right. So those are like the magic words that's going to get you put on suicide watch pretty much. Now, the whole what she said, that's not all the way there, but some officers might classify it. It depends on if they want to do some paperwork or not.
So just as the speeder started resisting arrest, refusing to get out, everything was somewhat okay. Then right before we went to leave, she starts screaming, beating the heck out of my squad, telling me she has nothing left and she wants to die. And so she's been screaming the entire time.
See? All right. See? Yeah. Some officers might let that slide. Some, it's magic. When you talk like that, it's you should report it. You should, you're supposed to really.
You're kicking, yelling. I don't know how now should be with you guys, but do you want me to mark? She's from Rockford. Fatima. She's on the passenger rear. I don't know. She was cuffed behind the back. I haven't looked at her. I don't know what you want to mark for here, because like I said, this whole suicidal talk was on the way. I started freaking out about that, so just leave it blank. Yeah, because I don't know if you guys will hold her or not, but it should have been just a print and release for the resisting, and now it's just getting worse.
Yeah, because she said that.
She's speeding, and then we had a dog come out, so we went to have her get out of the car. And
Just went off.
Oh, what a hassle. Well, get the watch ready. Somebody getting overtime tonight.
Stand up.
I need my car.
No, you're okay.
I need my car.
We'll check your vitals and everything in a
I need my
minute.
car.
Your car?
They
Oh.
gonna take my car. I didn't even do anything.
Come on, stand up. Stand
I didn't even
up.
have to look. I got my car back. I didn't do anything.
All right, listen, I gotta pat you down. Do you have anything in your pocket that's gonna hold your stick?
No.
Okay.
You're okay, Fatima. You're fine. You're gonna get out of here tonight.
I don't even have a way home. I don't care about
We'll
leaving.
figure the car thing out.
Oh, they gonna release her tonight?
I'll take your body thing off, okay?
All right, I wanna have you turn around, sit down for me, okay? Turn around, sit down on the step here. I'm gonna take this here Okay, here, sit up for me. Sit up for me. Can you give me your shoes, okay? All right, can you show me the bottom of your feet? All right, I'm gonna let you put these back on, okay?
All good?
She's looking at me.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, we're not worried about that. Yep.
Okay. Hey, go ahead and put your socks on and your shoes back on.
The suspect was charged with resisting arrest, obstructing justice, speeding, driving under the influence, and driving with a suspended license. If you enjoyed this video, please leave.
Yeah, I mean, lucky they let her out that night and stuff, because boy, they would be calling somebody in who want overtime. It looked like it was 11:30 when that happened, so that the shift just started. Hey, you got a free officer somewhere? We gotta sit on this watch, man. We gotta hold her overnight. That when you say things like that, it just makes it literally 10 times worse. Honestly, like it's just you making a simple maybe be down there a couple of hours, sign some paper, get out, to a whole big thing where now, you know, you're probably gonna have to get evaluated. You might go on suicide watch. You might like it's a whole ordeal. Golly, I don't understand it. But anyway, the officers, they did their thing. Now, one thing they said in there, I didn't notice. I didn't know that they could just because you got pulled over, they could just search with a dog whenever they want. I never knew that, because that's what the officer said earlier. Yeah, we here, the way we do things, we can search. We don't need a reason to search with a dog and all. I'm like, wait, hold on. I thought y'all need smell marijuana, smell something, do something. You know, might be lying about that one, but at least come up with something. That's what I thought. I didn't know they could just pull you over and just search with the dog, run the dog around your car. I didn't know that. I'm like, what? Yeah, now that was shocking. I don't know where they live at, but that was shocking to me, boy. I ain't never heard that. Typically, you need to have, reasonable, articulable suspicion or whatever, that you committed a crime or, smell. In that case, be under the influence or see, shake in the car or, you smell certain odors or whatever. Like something, you gotta say something, come up with something. I didn't know you could just run the dog just because you feel like it. I never knew that. Now that's crazy. So, but anyways, our cops, they get a 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.